Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm hosting this giveaway today because I have 1,000 followers on Instagram and I wanted to give something as a token of my love and appreciation. So I put together a few things that I got for you guys. One lucky winner will win all this. There's a soap holder mold. There are two beautiful pigments from Mayspring. One is olive gold and one is golden labradorite. And I also picked a couple of glitters. This one is from Elrisi. It's a Christmas chunky mix glitter. And the another one is from Glitter Hippo. And it's a chunky mix too. It's a mix of pink and silver uh, iridescent glitter. There are a couple steps to enter this giveaway, and they're all mentioned in the description below. Please follow all the steps, and the giveaway will be stopped on Saturday, and the winner will be declared on Sunday um, at 12 p.m. So I hope you do enjoy this, and good luck. Hope you win this gift set. Please spread the word and see you Sunday. Take care.